I'm Andre from Schaknat Electronic GmbH, and today I'm going to show you the exact process of an app optimization. In most cases, you'll receive this box from us by mail. Inside, you'll find the crucial Schaknat dongle, which we absolutely need for the optimization process. And today, I'll show you how it works. For optimal vehicle optimization, it's always critically important to turn off the car radio, the air conditioning, and all interior and exterior lights. Once we've turned on the ignition and switched off all unnecessary electrical consumers, we connect the dongle to the OBD port. If the dongle lights up green and blinks blue, we're good to go. To do this, we open the Schaknat app. Now we enter our TON. I've already copied it for myself. Just open it and the app will automatically take you to the main menu. Now we will proceed to open the Mercedes-Benz Trucks application and then connect the adapter via Bluetooth. It will be displayed right down here just momentarily. And I will then connect to it. Now we go back to the Schaknat app and we're in the main menu. What's important now is that we set up the vehicle correctly. To do this, we tap the blue car at the top and enter the license plate number. Now we've entered the license plate and now we need to select the vehicle. And now it's important that we enter the customer. I'm going to enter Schaknat here now. Now we tap on send. And now we've already registered the vehicle with the chassis number. Now we can get started. With the Mercedes, you now open the engine control unit and yes, assign the license. This always appears with a new vehicle. Once the license is assigned, small blue check marks also appear on the right, and now you can optimize as usual. To do this, we go to Engine Control Unit. The customer wants the power version. Now we open Flash Power down here. Now, the application connects to the Vehicle Control Unit and loads the power version onto the unit. It's always important to optimize the transmission after optimizing the engine, because we want to adapt the transmission to the engine. Now we've optimized the engine. After that, it's always very important to adjust the transmission accordingly. And for that, we optimize the transmission. We click on Engine Control Unit, and then click on Transmission Optimization Power. Done. Now we've optimized both the engine and the transmission. After that, it's always very important to clear the error memory, and I'll show you how to do that now. For this, we click on DTCs. Read out all error memories, and reset the error memory. So now we've finished the optimization. At the end of the optimization, it's always very important not to log out. Simply swipe up the app. Once we've successfully exited the menu, we then turn off the ignition, carefully remove the dongle, and subsequently start the truck. And with that, we are completely done with the engine and transmission optimization process.